Hello everyone and welcome back. It's Tuesday, which means we will be presenting the maths problem of the week. Now, we are back on Earth after our fortnight of space adventures and we've decided to take up the hobby of landscape gardening. To do this, we need to figure out how much fence we need and how much that's going to cost. For this, I have given us 3 gardens to work with. Our first garden is a perfect square with sides that are 6 metres long. Our second garden is a rectangle with long sides of 8 metres and short sides of 5 metres. Our final garden is a bit of a unique shape. It's a rectangle with a perfect square cut out of it. And the measurements that you see are all that you need to figure out the answer to the first question. The first question that we have is to find the perimeter of each of the gardens. The perimeter is the total distance of the length of a shape around it. For example, in our first garden, we would take this number 6, add 6, add 6, add 6, and that answer is the perimeter for the first garden. The reason I know that is because it's a perfect square, so all the sides need to be the same length. I want you to use the same sort of thinking in order to answer the other 2 gardens to find their perimeters. Once you've figured out the perimeter for each garden, we then need to figure out how much a fence would cost to be built there. For a mild problem, our fence costs £3 per metre. In our medium problem, it costs £5.40 per metre. And in our hot problem, we have very expensive fences that cost £12.75 per metre. So once you've figured out each of the perimeters, you then need to figure out the cost of each of their fences, depending on the level of challenge you wish to pursue. Once you've figured out those numbers, you then need to find out the total cost for all the fences. And that's everything. Lots of work to do this week. I can't wait to see your answers and working in the comments below. I'll be back on Thursday to go over the solution, but until then, take care and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye!